Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we are analyzing Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla, on May 7th, 2025. We'll combine recent news and technical analysis to provide you with an informed perspective. Let's start by reviewing some current events based on recent news. Recent headlines show mixed performance. China-made EV sales are down, and vehicle sales in Germany have also fallen significantly. This is adding to the pressure on the stock. However, some sources suggest that Tesla is facing attacks and needs to rebalance Elon Musk's commitments. On the other hand, there's optimism around Tesla's robotaxi service and Optimus robots, which are viewed as potential near-term catalysts. Now, let's dive into the technical analysis of the charts and see how these events correlate. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that the price has been quite volatile over the past year. From December 2024 to February 2025, the stock was trending downwards. Let's narrow down on the candles from the start of 2025. There was a brief rally in early January 2025 before another significant drop, reaching a low in early March. The drop in early March, as the chart data shows, coincided with news of declining EV deliveries and increasing competition, as shown in news articles. This decline was followed by a volatile period with some recovery attempts, but overall, the stock struggled to sustain any upward momentum, likely due to concerns about slowing growth and profitability, as reported. Now let's zoom in closer to the past few months on the daily chart. From late March through April 2025, we saw more volatility, including a brief spike in early April, followed by a sharp decline. It seems that the bad sales news out of Europe that was released around that time correlates to the sell-off. Currently, as of May 7th, the stock is trading around $275.35, showing signs of weakness after failing to sustain a rally from late April. The next key support level to watch is around $270, which acted as a support level previously. If the price breaks below this, we could see further downside towards $260. On the upside, immediate resistance lies around $285, followed by $290. If Tesla can break above $290, it could signal a potential bullish reversal, especially if supported by positive news regarding robotaxi launch or Optimus robot progress. To get a clearer picture, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and look at recent price action, zooming into the past few weeks. We're going to focus on the recent price action from April 16, 2025 onwards to see what the intraday trends are. The 1-hour chart shows a choppy trading pattern with no clear trend. There are short-term rallies and pullbacks, indicating uncertainty in the market. We can see that the price has been struggling to break above $280 consistently and failing to hold above this key level. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see more granular details of the recent price action and try and predict the immediate short term. Let's narrow our view of the candles to today, May 7th, 2025. Currently, on the 15-minute chart, Tesla is showing bearish signals. If it can't sustain above $277, we should expect to see it approach $275. Key price levels to watch are $270, $280, and $290. These are spots where we'd expect to see reversals happen. To recap, here are the important price levels. $270 will be a key support. If it breaks, expect a sell-off. Then $285 is a short-term price ceiling, and breaking it might signal the start of a rally. Above that at $290 is a critical level. Reaching it would indicate a more significant bullish move. For the long term, if Tesla can address the demand concerns and deliver on its promises regarding robotaxi and AI, we may not see a significant upside. Conversely, positive surprises could change the outlook.